Hey my Breakfast family, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, you are most welcome. And for my old and returning subscribers, thank you so much for clicking and watching on today's video. Yeah, my name is Wendy. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider clicking on that red subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell while at it so that you will join my amazing family. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and I will definitely be there to respond to your comments, okay? I want to cut my son's hair. Yeah, he's turning 2 very soon and I needed to do a photo shoot for him. And that photo shoot is gonna be a DIY. Your girl is gonna be the photographer, you know. Yeah, so I don't think I've ever showed you guys how I cut his hair in this channel. So today I'm gonna be cutting his hair and you guys are gonna come along with me. Let's do this together, okay? So sit back, relax yourself, enjoy this video till the end. All right, so this is haircut in preparation for his photo shoot and also his birthday, which is forthcoming. Since he turned 1 and I started cutting his hair, the only thing that he doesn't like doing is for him to sit down on his own while I cut the hair. And the funny thing is that he can never allow any other person to carry him. I've tried my husband to help me while he carry him and I will cut his hair, but he never allowed that. So you see me here carrying him and also trying to cut the hair. And you can, guys, you can also understand with me how tasking it is holding the baby, trying to cut the hair. Sometimes I go all the way giving him my phone or maybe his tablet to kind of watch Cocomelon because that is his favorite cartoon. So each time I try that, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, but anyhow it is, I will definitely be trying my best to see how I can make him look okay. Yeah, so what I'm doing right now, I've already shaped how I want the hair to look like. So I'm trying to kind of trim the back, as in to make it to look smooth and also nice. Yeah, basically that's what I'm doing. And here I noticed that the hair that was coming out of his head was like itching him, so I tried to remove them, and I'm still going ahead to trim the hair to make it look okay. That will be wondering, did I go to any barbing school or did I learn it from maybe somewhere or something else? No, I never went to any barbing school. I started cutting hair the very first time we came to this country, and I discovered that haircut is very expensive here. So I tried one day using my husband's hair to cut, and to my greatest surprise, I cut that hair and it was super nice. So since then, I decided that they are not going to be going to the salon to cut their hair. I will actually be the one doing it, and I've been doing it ever since day one we came to this country to today. And I noticed that each time I try cutting it, I kept on perfecting in it, you know. So this thing taught me a lesson that whatsoever thing you are doing, even if it seems like it's not really going on well at the first time, keep on doing it. As you are doing that, you will definitely perfect as time goes by. Yeah, and that is exactly what happened to me in this. Yeah, my son sometimes will tell me, but mommy, you need to open a barbing salon here. And I will laugh. I'll tell him, don't worry, very soon I will. I'm going to open my own barbing salon. So guys, sit back and enjoy this my haircut, and let me know in the comment box below, what do you think about this my haircut? As in, what do you think about this skill? Did I even do well? Right now I'm just trying to give him a line. As you can see, sorry guys, the battery is running down. I'm gonna go ahead and change the battery and I'll come back, okay? But so far so good. The hair is looking nice. I'm gonna go ahead and change the battery, then I will finish up the hair and come back. So guys, look at that, we are done. Can you guys see how the hair is looking? The birthday boy. Let me know, rate me in the comment box below. Did I try? But so far I think I tried. I don't like cutting the hair down. I like him carrying like a punk kind of, you know. So this is how the hair is looking. And the back, look at that. Did I blend the hair very well? I don't know, but to me, I think I did a good job. I will give myself 90. Like, rate me from 1 to 10. What do you guys think about this hair? Did I do a good job? Yeah, but for me, I think I tried. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Someone that never went to barbing school and I was able to do this. I think I should give myself a plus. Yeah. So fam, at this point, I am getting things ready for the photo shoot, and like I said, I am gonna be the camera woman. Yeah, I bought this backdrop stand from Amazon just to make my work easier for me, and as you can see, I am trying to set it up. So I just hope that he's gonna cooperate very well with me while I take him some pictures, you know, some shots, you know. I just hope that I'm gonna get at least, even if it's 1 or 2 pictures from this, that I can actually post in my Instagram and also my WhatsApp. And again, if you're not following me on Instagram, please do well to follow me on Instagram at chi_loves. I'm gonna leave my IG page on the screen right there. Yeah, so guys, I think for now this is how the rod looks like. Can you guys see that? This is how the rod looks like. Then I'm gonna bring the backdrop that I have, which is the one I bought from Amazon as well. So I will bring it and be able to hang it. I'm not gonna make it too high because my boy is not as tall as this, so I'll try to make it to the length that is gonna be okay for him. Then I'm fine. Okay guys, so this is the final look of the backdrop. I love this color a lot. I don't know, this is more like a camouflage, blue camouflage. Yeah, so we are gonna go ahead and try to set him to stay. Sit down, sit down.
Stand. See, this thing is fine. Mommy, look at this. Look at this. Look.
Like you can see in this video, my husband has been trying to keep him still while I take the pictures. You know, we went to the extent of giving him a balloon, thinking that it's going to help. My husband is trying to clean his tears because he started crying. So guys, it's not easy, honestly. My husband even went to the extent of playing with him so that when he's distracting him, I will be able to capture something. So guys, what I did, I started doing video for him so that from that video I will be able to crop out 1 or 2 pictures.
Say, alright, raise your hands up. Michael, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Alright, tell mommy hi. Yes. Tell your mommy hi.
Good job. Sugar boy was so tired of me, so I went ahead and removed the backdrop, stood up and was like playing. So what you see me doing here, I'm just trying to capture something, you know. While he's playing, I was just playing around with him to be able to hey fam, this is not easy at all. Like seriously, it is not easy. I tried all I could, put him down, give him balloon, do everything. Look at him right here, do everything as in to make him stay. I'm not even sure if I have like a good single picture that is good. I have no idea, but I'm hoping I will get at least, even if it's one, I don't mind. As in, I planned to change him like 3 times, but he couldn't stay. It was so frustrating. Now I know why some photographers will be complaining. I don't like taking pictures for kids. I only prefer taking for adults. Now I know it's not easy. Omo, this boy wants to ruin my career. He wants to ruin my career as a photographer. Oh, in the making. Oh, anyway guys, I hope you had fun with this our little, I don't even know what I will call this, honestly. I have no single idea on what I will call it, but anyway, it was fun. It's an experience, you know. Having to do this is an experience and I love it. I am not complaining, in as much as I don't like the fact that I thought Sugar Boy would have stayed very well, as in after doing everything, but it is what it is. Yeah, and I got to take it that way and still move. Yeah, thank you so much guys. If you've watched this video till this moment, I honestly, from the depth of my heart, I appreciate each and every one of you for sticking around, for your support, for your love. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to share, like, comment, and also wish my boy a happy birthday. Okay, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Stay blessed and stay safe until I see you in my next video. Bye.